Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 11th of April 2018. So yesterday in the pound, the market moving higher after initially moving low. Got some buying pressure here, and then the market saw the buying come in, followed by the signal. The market then moving higher before pulling back and having another go, and then getting into a sideways range, as you can see here. And then overnight, the market just trading in a range there. So nothing much happening with the pound other than yesterday's trade. The market managed just to make the scalp. Had a couple of attempts at it, came back to the entry price before having another go there. In the daily chart, you can see there the market driving through the 76% yesterday, and currently stuck at the 141.87 level, which we have in place at the moment. That's where the market's trading, and this is also where the main 76% as well, which will have been drawn from this high down to this low. So what we can do now is we've got another low here. We can switch from this one to this one, and you'll see the market is also in this area, and also again why there was resistance yesterday. So there's no more 76% to really draw in here. So let me just clear all of this out, and we'll leave the original one that we had where the market's currently trading at. So this has got to be taken out in order to move higher, and then of course the high from here is going to be a bit of an issue as well. So we'll draw that one in. Keep an eye on this as you trade in the smaller time frames, and then you can see we have these other areas of resistance as well. Let me just have a look from this one down to here. Again, same area. So it's a crucial area here. There's a lot of resistance that could be thrown at it. So again, keep this area in mind in the daily chart. Take a note of these numbers, the 140, 187 and 93 going towards 142. So again, keep them in mind. News today, what have we got? Manufacturing production from the UK. We've got Draghi speaking. He's been downgraded to a medium impact news item. I can think of more things that he should be downgraded to, but yeah, interesting there. Oh, we've got the FOMC minute meetings as well. Yeah, of course, it's that time of the month, isn't it? So yeah, keep an eye on those at 7 PM. Shouldn't think the market will be too affected. Not going to alter interest rates or anything. They only do that in the live meetings now, a new pattern that's been established for the last couple of years. And in the Dow, let's see if we can grab the Dow. We've got yesterday's session. The market, once again, in fact, I'm going to do this the opposite way around, because we drew in yesterday all of the fib retracements. We had the one here at 24.480 and also the 24.341. Well, the market traded up to the fib yesterday, and as you will see in the 5-minute chart, traded straight up to it, and we had a nice buy signal here. You can see that there, the market trading up over 100 points before it reversed, and then we had another profit as the market moved lower. We're quick to collect this one though, and there you've got the classic bar action of the market coming off the lows. And then it traded sideways with another buy signal as they brought the market back, and then back to the same area where the market had the resistance in the daily chart there, just slightly below it. And overnight, you can see that the market is trying to hold at this 76% retracement, but in order to move higher, it's got to take this one out, and then it's also got resistance here at 24.788 as well. And in the implied volatility, this up also 2038 to 2192, and no doubt this is due in part to the market having a quick shakeout in the afternoon after the 100 plus points move to the upside, and then obviously bouncing back. But again, a slight increase there. The option sellers are still obviously very concerned about what's happening in this market, and avoiding action as well by increasing the premiums on the put side as well. Well, Bitcoin has become quieter than the Dow. There is more volatility in the Dow at the moment than there is in Bitcoin. You can see here the range is just getting narrower and narrower. And what's required here before this market can move higher really, or what would be ideal, is a shakeout, massive shakeout, volatility to the downside. Lots of volume, a lot bigger than what we've got here, and some form of testing before it can then move back to the upside. But at the moment it is desperately quiet, very narrow range for yesterday in this market. I don't know whether we can just see this. Yeah, a quick guesstimate about 200 point or $200 range for Bitcoin yesterday. Very, very quiet indeed. So not a lot to report there at all. Right, that will do it for this one. If there's anything to report prior to the FOMC minute meetings, I will let you know. Other than that, as ever, have a good day. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.